right, so here, rhythm bounce, drop, push, rhythm bounce, drop, push, rhythm bounce, drop, push. Next one, crossover, left, right. So I'm comfortable getting into my shot, whether I'm going to the left or whether I'm going to the right, and work on creating space. Push, bounce, push, bounce, push. Feel like you're going to a shot. 1, 2, good. 1, 2. 1, 2. All right, next one without the band, same idea. You're gonna push, get up, land, reset, push, get up, land, reset. Biggest thing is you wanna land, same spot you jump from. All right. Good. Next, you ready?